Hi guys, welcome to SQL TV. This time it's another episode of Real Talk. This time we talk about certification. So the past few weeks and past 2 months actually, I was preparing myself for the MCSE, the new one from SQL 2016, and therefore I had a little bit studying to do beside my work. So sorry for not creating that much of content, but actually it's a good time to talk to you about Microsoft certifications on SQL Server, since actually there's a little bit of confusion every time a new certification method or path is released, and this happened with SQL 2016. So first of all, let's clarify. There are two basically levels you can get to certificate on Microsoft SQL Server product. The first one is called a MCSA, which stands for Microsoft Certified Solutions Associate, and the second one is the MCSE, stands for Microsoft Certified Solutions Expert. Okay, so those are the two levels you can get. So at the very moment we are talking about, this is the 14th of November 2016 to be very precise. You have basically two possibilities, because there are the 2012 versions of certification still online, and you have the possibility to certify in the 2016 path of the thing. So there is one MCSE. Let's have a look at this image here, and as you can see here, we have one MCSA SQL Server 2012-2014, which basically means this is the old one. It's the one I made also. It consists of the three exams: 461, 462 and 463, querying, administering and implementing a data warehouse with Microsoft SQL Server 2012/2014. Those are three exams. If you pass all of the exams, you get the MCSA SQL Server 2012/2014. If you did not make any exam before, then one of the 461, 462 or 463 is also enough to get you the MCP title, which is a Microsoft Certified Professional, which I didn't mention here because it's not related to SQL Server. It's just a general reward that you manage to do exam on Microsoft certification thing. So this is the old MCSA path. Then you have also, as you can see in the picture, you have three new possibilities. You have three new MCSAs actually, and you see they only need, each of them needs only two exams. You see we have 761, 762, 764 and so on and so forth, and you can gain MCSA SQL 2016 Database Dev, Database Admin or BI Development. Actually, just a quick word to this, it's actually a very good idea. I don't know, I don't really know how to put it in the past, but I think now I have a good feeling about this, because to be honest, I made the 461, 462, 463, which included the database administering stuff, and you are very rarely, if you are not a consultant, you are developer and admin, and you build the data warehouse and you build the cubes, and if you have to do this, your company may be small or you are very overloaded, I guess. So in practice and your job, most likely you're focused on one topic. Of course, it's not bad to know the other thing also, it's not bad to know the administering part, but to be honest, if you just want to get a certification to show I'm a good developer, it can be very hindering if you have to prove that you're also good database admin, which you don't want to be in the first place. So with those exams, let's look back at the sheet. It's actually possible for me to, for instance, to go full database dev, doing only query data with Transact SQL and developing databases, and omit administering it and provisioning databases, or if I don't do data warehouses, or I don't have to know how to implement the SQL data warehouse. So you can get with those three passes an MCSA 2016 in your specialty, and with all of that, then let's advance to the MCSE exams. So there are at this very moment, but still until 2017, still the old versions of MCSE online. So you have in the old versions, not on the sheet I showed you, but there is a SQL Server 20, no, it's just called SQL Server Business Intelligence, MCSE Business Intelligence, and the MCSE for, I think it was called Database something. I show it to you, I forgot it just right now. So those are 2 MCSE titles you can still get, but Microsoft said they will omit it in the mid of 2017. You can't gain those titles again. They needed 2 more exams each to gain this title. So let's look back at the sheet at the new possibilities. The new possibility is very simple because we have only one MCSA. It's called Data Management and Analysis. And Analytics, sorry. So this one you can get by doing one of those exams you can see in the box below. So you have to take only one of those, 473 to 467, you see all of this, and then you get the MCSE like I did. For instance, I did the 464, Developing Microsoft SQL Server Database. So I get the MCSE now, and it's it. So this MCSE, talking about how long lasts such a certification. Well, the MCSA does last forever, since it has the version title of the product in its name, that is 2012 or 2016. It lasts forever. It's just valid for 2012 and 2016, so everybody can see that. With the MCSE it was different. The old ones lasted for 3 years and you had to recertify with one exam every 3 years, okay? But since you can't recertify from 2017 on, it is not really interesting for you maybe, but they will expire. So if you get the old ones in 2017, they will expire 2020 and you can't recertify. But for the new one, MCSE, the Data Management and Analytics, this one does not expire, but Microsoft encourages you to recertify, to regain it, and you can regain it by doing one of the other exams you can see in the box. So if I want to regain it next year, I can do the 465, Designing Database Solutions, or I can do the 466, Implementing Data Models with Reports and Microsoft SQL Server. That will mean I get another instance of this MCSE for that particular exam. That should your employer or whatever give the possibility to see that you are specialized in more than just one field. And actually it does not expire. Also, it is not bad actually, because you get, in the end you get a certificate much faster than in the old pass, okay? And you can really make you can really finish only those exams that really are interesting to you. So for instance, if I'm interested in the 464 and 467, I can do both of them and get credit for it, instead of just doing both of them and don't get anything with the old system. So this is basically the whole deal about MCSA and MCSE certification paths. I hope you understood and you learned what you can do, and I can only encourage you to take one of the exams at least, because to be honest, if you're not that good in the current SQL Server, the book that they provide with 461 from Microsoft Press is actually very good. I find it a very good book to read. So if you want to encourage in this and you have any questions, use Twitter or contact me directly, use hashtag SQL Server, SQLTV, or just contact me and I can clarify things also in the comments below, no problem. So thanks for watching and see you next time on SQL TV. Bye.